Hello learners, hello students. This is Manisha Tomar and today I will discuss about the nitrogen means dinitrogen which is present in atmosphere about 78% and it is very important and essential gas for us. In today's lecture I will discuss all the facts about the nitrogen, its preparation, its presence, its general characteristics, position in the periodic table which is present in 15 group, and its electronegativity, its chemical and physical properties, laboratory methods and uses. So let's start our today's lecture with nitrogen. Thank you so much for watching this dinitrogen. As you know that nitrogen is a gas which is present in atmosphere 78%. This gas neither be combustible nor be supporter of combustion. Still it is present in the atmosphere and nitrogen has the 7 atomic number and its configuration is 2 and 5. That means it contains 5 valence electrons. Due to presence of 5 valence electron, it has 3 valency. So it has tendency to form triple bond. In nitrogen it forms triple bond between two nitrogen atoms. Today I will discuss only some important facts about the nitrogen which is important for exams as well as for competition exams. Nitrogen does not form pentahalides. Reason asked many times, examiner asked the question why nitrogen does not form pentahalides. So reason of this question is because nitrogen is the smallest atom and it does not contain vacant d orbital. Other than nitrogen, all the elements of this group has vacant d orbital so that they can form pentahalides, while nitrogen due to small size and absence of vacant d orbital does not form pentahalides. It only forms trihalides. Another fact about the nitrogen, it is the third highest electronegative element in the periodic table. Due to high electronegativity, its electronegativity is around 3, and after fluorine and oxygen it is highly electronegative element. So that it is non-metal in nature. It is a typical non-metal because it has high electronegativity. Next fact about it, nitrogen exhibits a variety of oxidation states ranging from -3 to +5 in its compounds. Nitrogen shows variable valencies from -3, -5, +3, +2, +5, +4 like that, in different compounds. For example, in ammonia NH3 it has -3 oxidation state. In magnesium nitride it also has -3 oxidation state. In nitrous oxide it has +2 oxidation state, and in NO it has +2 oxidation state. In nitrous oxide it has +1 oxidation. In trioxide +3, in NO2 +4, and in N2O5 pentaoxide had +5 oxidation state. So that we are seeing here nitrogen shows variable oxidation states from -3 to +4 in different compounds, their hydrides, metallic nitrides and oxides. Next fact about the isotopes. Isotopes are those substances, those elements which have same atomic number, but their masses are different. Those are called isotopes. Nitrogen has 3 isotopic forms: 7n13, 7n14 and 7n15. But out of these isotopes, 7n14 isotope is abundantly available in the nature. Approximately 99.64% isotope of nitrogen is that is 7n14 which is present in the nature. 7n9 13 is obtained by the irradiating graphite with neutrons in a vacuum chamber in the cyclotron. So it is included in 0.36%. Preparation of dinitrogen. How can we prepare dinitrogen? We have basically two methods to prepare dinitrogen. One is from air, large scale method. It is a physical method. By fractional distillation method, we can find dinitrogen from the atmosphere, from the air, because we know that nitrogen in the atmosphere is 78%, and we can obtain this nitrogen by the fractional distillation method. Second, from the chemical compounds. By using different chemical compounds, we can synthesize dinitrogen gas. Now, liquid air is made to undergo, in which layer conditions fractional evaporation in chambers, and that chamber is called fractional column. Now, thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition means we can prepare dinitrogen by the chemical process by the thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition means when salts of ammonia, salts of nitrogen is heated at high temperature or different temperature, we find nitrogen gas. Ammonium dichromate NH4 whole twice Cr2O7 is called ammonium dichromate, which is orange color salt. When heated, it gives nitrogen gas and chromic acid and water. So next one is the ammonium nitrite. Ammonium nitrite also on heating gives nitrogen gas. And next method is laboratory preparation of nitrogen. How can we prepare nitrogen in laboratory? So it will be by heating equimolar aqueous solution of sodium nitrite and ammonium chloride in a round bottom flask. How? When ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite heated, it converts into ammonium nitrite and NaCl. This ammonium nitrite on decomposition gives nitrogen gas and water vapor. Collection of nitrogen. We use for collection of nitrogen in the laboratory downwards method. Soluble in water, because we know that nitrogen is slightly soluble in water, so we can collect it by downward displacement method, displacement of water. Okay, so next one is the pure nitrogen is obtained by the barium nitride. Heating of barium nitride, we find barium and nitrogen gas, which is also called barium nitride, is also called barium azide. Next is the sodium nitride. On heating sodium nitride, we also find the sodium plus nitrogen gas. So these are the laboratory method, general method, and industrial methods and physical methods by which we can synthesize or we can obtain dinitrogen or nitrogen gas. So in this part we will discuss up to here. In next part we will discuss physical and chemical properties of dinitrogen. If you like this video, just like and share with your friends. Thank you so much, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed up to now. Thank you dear. Now we will discuss physical properties of dinitrogen. First, it is a colorless, odorless gas and tasteless gas, slightly lighter than air. Vapor density of this is 14.4, while nitrogen has the 14. Slightly soluble in water and non-poisonous gas. It is dissolved by activated charcoal. Chemical properties. As you know, it is inert in nature, unreactive at room temperature, because it contains strong covalent bonds. Because two atoms of nitrogen combine by triple bonds, the bond dissociation energy of triple bonds between nitrogen is 941 kilojoule per mole, and Length is 109.8 picometer. Action on moist litmus. It is neutral in nature, so it does not affect any litmus paper. It is then combustibility. It is neither be combustible nor be supporter of combustion. Reaction with metal. It reacts with highly positive metal like lithium. When react with nitrogen, it gives lithium nitride. Magnesium react or heated with nitrogen, magnesium hydride, nitride, and these on dissolving in water gives hydroxide, and ammonia gas will evolve. Same calcium metal when react or heated, strongly heated with nitrogen, it gives calcium nitride, and on dissolving in water it gives calcium hydroxide and ammonia gas. So aluminum means group first, group second, and 13 group elements metals are very reactive, so they can react with nitrogen and gives hydroxides of corresponding metal and ammonia gas. Now reaction with non-metals. For example, hydrogen. When it reacts with hydrogen, it forms ammonia. When equimolar concentration of hydrogen and ammonia react together in the presence of any catalyst, it forms ammonia gas, which is an exothermic reaction, and it is a catalyzed reaction in which iron is used as a catalyst and molybdenum is used as a co-catalyst or promoter of iron. Next, oxygen. Nitrogen combined with oxygen during thunder and lightning or under the influence of electric arc at a temperature of 3273, means at a high temperature, to form nitric oxide. This is the reaction. Electric arc, nitric oxide is formed. Reaction with chemical compounds like aluminum oxide and carbon charcoal, it gives aluminum nitride and carbon monoxide. With calcium carbide, it also gives calcium cyanamide, which is also called nitroleum, used for the as a fertilizer. And carbon uses, where it is used, it is inert in nature, so it diluted with oxygen in the air. High temperature thermometer, it is prevents vaporization of mercury. In canned foodstuffs, it retains color and flavor of the substances. Electric bulbs, it reduces the rate of neutralization of the tungsten wire or tungsten filament. In industries, extraction of metals, name of vitamin A and nylon etc. In welding, it avoids the oxidation of metals. Uses based on the boiling point, as a refrigerator for freezing foods. Used based on nitrogen being a constituent of protein. Used by the plants for protein synthesis or fertilizers. So here is the nitrogen complete preparation, properties and uses. My dear learners, if you like this video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.